How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Scroll, click on Snapchat, and then click on permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions right here, and then go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then click on force stop. And after that, what you want to do is go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.